Ooh. Yeah, yeah. This one for my mother, the woman who gave me life. Before I ever saw the sunlight shine, you carried me for those long 9 months of time. Through the pain and tears, you never walked away. You held me close inside your heart every day. You never thought 1 second to let me go, even when the storms of life began to blow. Through every ache, every fear, every cry, you chose my life before your own. Every time you stayed awake through the cold, dark nights, making sure your child would be alright. No sleep, no rest, but love stayed strong. You carried all the pain for so long. And even when the nights were cold, you wrapped me in a love untold. You're tired, I still stayed awake for every breath and step I take. My mother, you gave your life so I could breathe. Held my pain when I was weak. When I was lost, you stood beside me. Your love was all I'd ever need. My mother, no mountain ever stopped your heart. Even broken, you played your part. And if heaven wrote love in words, it would sound just like your home. Ma'ooletina, e pele ilo unei fatu. E te le ito ilalo leto ave ona wau iwa masina. E te le ifa vai vai ile tiga nai alofa mai pe ai ui faiga taleo laga. You stood beside me when the world turned cold. Taught me lessons that money can't hold. Even when life left scars on your soul, you still gave love and made me whole. Sai mo I titi, ai le I feiti o. Ina nei fia ai lauta ma peti gaina foi. Du alofa ele mo fai ona ufu aina. Tina ele galo lo igo. My mother, you gave your life so I could breathe. Held my pain when I was weak. When I was lost, you stood beside me. Your love was all I'd ever need. My mother, no mountain ever stopped your heart. Even broken, you played your part. And if heaven wrote love in words, it would sound like
I remember the nights when you cried all alone. Still someone made a broken house feel like home. Never gave up though the struggle got deep. You lost your rest just so your kids could sleep. Tina, I carry your pain in my chest. Everything I become, I just wanna make you proud. That's my test. If I could pay you back for the tears that you hide, I'd spend my whole life standing right by your side. Through the storms and the pressure, through the hurt and rain, you taught me real love through sacrifice and pain.